On my very first day in the business, my sales manager pulled me aside and he asked me one question. He said, Alan, if you were on a cruise and that cruise hit an iceberg and you had the key to the life jackets, who would you give them out to? And I immediately answered, well, my friends and my family that are on the cruise with me. He says, exactly. So what I need you to do is put together your FRA list. I said, well, what's that? He goes, a list of all your friends, family, and acquaintances. But what he effectively did was make me realize what it is that we do is the life jacket to financial security. So that made me real at ease about approaching my family. And my father was my first death claim, for example. And I remember the day that the benefit came in, my mother threw her arms around my shoulders and says, now I know I love what you do so much. And my second claim was on my godmother. The benefit of the policy went to my goddaughter, Mackenzie. She's going to college next year. That small policy is now worth enough to pay for all 4 years of her college. So it's so important to get out there and contact the ones that you love. And I'll never forget that piece of advice that my sales